In this video, I'll show you how you can disable Gutenberg Editor from your WordPress and keep using WordPress Classic Editor even after WordPress 5 is launched. Coming up. Hello everyone, my name is Ankit, and if you are a WordPress user like me, then consider subscribe because I'll be creating a lot of WordPress related videos here on this channel, and especially for non-technical users. So if you want to see more of that, consider subscribe and click on that bell icon to get notified for the next videos. Even after getting so many 1-star ratings from the WordPress users, WordPress is about to launch Gutenberg Editor with the release of WordPress version 5. And whether you like it or not, you will be using Gutenberg as a default editor in your WordPress websites. But there is a way that you can disable this Gutenberg editor on your or maybe your client website and keep using the very own classic WordPress editor. Personally, I am not very happy with Gutenberg editor and I would really wish to stick with the classic editor because of so many reasons. And if you have a small WordPress website just for your business, or if you are a designer and handling a lot of clients, then I'm sure you must be getting a tough time educating your clients about the new Gutenberg editor. But let me show you how you can use two simple plugins to disable this Gutenberg editor and still use classic WordPress editor on your website. So let's begin with the plugin number 1, and that is called Classic Editor. Now once you download Classic Editor on your WordPress website, it will automatically disable Gutenberg editor and it keeps the classic WordPress editor on your website. But if in case you want to have best of both worlds and you want to keep Gutenberg as well as the classic editor, then you can choose in the writing sections or in the settings section of this plugin, which will actually take it to the writing settings of WordPress. And you can then select the option number 2, which allows you to choose to keep both Gutenberg and the classic editor. And after you save your changes, you will now see a new option added on various places, like under the post listing where you have the edit as well as the edit with classic. And in the left menu as well, you see an option to create with classic editor option, where you can now still use the classic WordPress editor on your website. And with that, you can still use the WordPress classic editor on your website. Now this is a very good option if you have a website for a client and you can easily show them this option that you can still use the classic editor even after WordPress 5 is released. And with that, it will be much easier for you or for your client to manage your website. After that, there is one more plugin you can use, and which is called Disable Gutenberg. Now this plugin works a little different. It actually gives you an option to enable or disable Gutenberg editor on various user profiles. Like you can hide the Gutenberg editor for publishers or authors, but keep it for administrators and other editors and or maybe any other kind of role on your website. Now this is very much useful if you have a multi-user login website, but if you are using a single user website or maintaining a client website, then I would prefer using the plugin called Classic Editor. So once you install and activate this plugin, you can go to the settings page of this plugin, and there you will find an option where it says Disable Gutenberg for all, and by this it has disabled Gutenberg plugin for all the users of the website. And once you uncheck this option, now it will show you more options if you wish to disable or enable the Gutenberg editor for a specific user depending on their roles. So maybe you can enable Gutenberg for administrator and hide it for normal subscribers and editors. So this is how you can use this Disable Gutenberg plugin on your website. I'm sure in future I will switch to Gutenberg, but surely not now. So I'll be using this plugin called Classic Editor and Disable Gutenberg on all my websites for now. Let me know in the comments below if you are going to disable Gutenberg on your website using any of these plugins, and let me know which one you use. And if this quick tutorial is helpful, then go ahead and click on the like button and share it with someone who wish to disable Gutenberg on their website. With that said, thank you so much for watching, and I'm sure you have found some value in this small quick tutorial, and I'll see you soon in the next one.